Hello, everyone. I am Ryan Dorheim,
And I'm Kramer Brooks.
and we are the Dynamics Duo. We are technology specialists here at Microsoft and focus primarily in the business applications Power Platform realm. Kramer, what are we going to learn about today?
Today we're actually going to be looking at invoice processing automation.
Ooh, what is that?
So we're actually going to be using the Power Platform to pull in data from invoices so the technology does that work and a human doesn't have to.
I love being lazy. That's awesome. Okay, let's let the technology do the work. All right, man, what do we need to get started?
Well, Ryan, I think it would help if you gave us an overview of the Power Platform.
Thank you very much, Kramer. Yeah, I look at this image and it just screams so much. On the right-hand side, we have what most of our governments are trying to get away from, siloed data, all of these different point solutions, having to integrate them in some way, shape, or form. And you can see how complex that gets. And, at the end of the day, what benefit is this providing? And then I look at the left-hand side of the screen, and we have the Microsoft Cloud, the Microsoft platform. Everything is built on the government cloud, Microsoft Azure. It is secure, and we have our tools running in that environment as well, including M365, Word, PowerPoint, and even our Power Platform, which we'll be talking about here in just a moment. But as I think about how we can help our government customers, please pause this video. Look at, on the right-hand side here. I just threw a few of them out because I wanted to capture your attention of different ways we can be of help in the government industry. But today we're going to be talking specifically about a use case, and I'm talking about IPA. No, not a good beer, I wish, but invoice processing automation. So Kramer's going to show us here in just a moment of how he used Power Automate and used AI Builder to create something that's going to save a lot of government employees time because it used to be something manual. An invoice comes in, and what do we need to do with it? There's their approval process. What database does it need to go into? Those types of things. So I'm excited to say, hey, Kramer, show us what's next, man.
So now let's look at the actual tool. What you're looking at right now is a fully deployed Power App within my environment. It's fully interactable. We can add providers, regions as needed. We can even look at submitted invoices. We get a nice screenshot here that we can compare with the information that AI Builder picked up and make modifications as needed as well. So let me go ahead and put that at the right year there. Click OK. Now I'm going to send another invoice into this Power App so we can actually watch it process it. So while that's loading, I'll show you other aspects of this tool. First of all, this only took me about 45 minutes to configure properly. I actually used a template that Microsoft provides Power Platform users for free. So this is actually an application that also includes some Power Automate flows that you can send files into an inbox, which will then be processed by AI Builder and then put into the application we were just looking at. So there's that, as well as here is the solution. So this is within the Power Apps environment. Again, we're looking at this AI Builder invoice processing solution I've been talking about. We can actually look at each individual component as well.
Wow, that is awesome, Kramer. Talk about, sending a message of being able to do more with less. Being able to automate this is going to save so many of our government workers time and streamline quite a few things. And wow, absolutely awesome. I wanted to touch really quickly as we exit out of the recording for today is Microsoft is the low code leader. Here we have all these tiny blue dots right up in here. Those are all different point solutions for all of these different areas, especially an AI developer, right? Our tools are so easy. We are now actually the leaders in all these areas, and that's where this green square comes in. I just wanted to point out where Microsoft is. So as you consider, doing automation and using AI and using Power Automate, please reach out to your Microsoft rep as soon as you possibly can. Happy to have a demo like this and to dive in a lot deeper.